friends, this is Catherine from Xhorse. Today, we are going to unbox a newly released tool by Xhorse Max Pro. If you are not aware, we just released it and now you can order the tool on the websites on most of our official dealers. I'll give you a quick show around the box. So now I'm going to open it up and show you what comes inside. Here you can see a carry box. It's pretty solid. Let's see what's inside. Here you have a user menu. This is a new accessory. It's for remote battery voltage detection and leakage detection. And here we have a USB cable. It's used to charging Max Pro. Here we have a programming cable. It's used for remote programming. And here we can see a OBD cable. It can be used to connect to Max Pro and vehicle OBD2 port. This feature differs from Max because you don't need to use mini OBD2 anymore. You can just finish immobilizer programming on Max Pro. Now let's take a look at the device. It has a power button. Here it's a USB port, remote programming port. At the bottom, it's a DB50 connector. It's used to link to OBD cable. I'm going to turn it on. This may take a while. Price agree to enter. We won't update the device this time. Take a look at the interfaces. So basically, that's all about Max Pro. It differs from Max in that it has built-in OBD module, a battery test module, and a CAN-FD module. And a CAN-FD module means it offers expanded features on IMO programming, supporting quite a few CAN-FD vehicles. Here's one thing I'd like to mention in this video. There is one special feature coming on Max Pro soon, so if you're interested in the tool, just stay tuned.